Ready to unlock a world of financial possibilities with Barclays? Let's get your new account opened, step by step. First things first, head over to the Barclays official website. Look for the prominent Open an Account or Apply Now button, usually found on the homepage. Click on it to begin your application journey. You'll then need to select the type of account that best suits your needs, whether it's a current account for everyday banking, a savings account to grow your money, or another option. Take a moment to understand the features and benefits before proceeding. Now, you'll be guided through providing your personal details. This includes your full name, date of birth, current address, and contact information. Ensure all the information you enter is accurate and matches your identification documents. Next, you'll need to verify your identity. Have your identification documents ready. A circumflex euros, typically a valid passport or driving license. You'll also need proof of your address, such as a recent utility bill or bank statement from another institution. Barclays will guide you on how to submit these documents. This usually involves uploading clear, scanned copies or taking photos through their secure online portal or mobile app. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to ensure a smooth upload process. Before final submission, you'll have a chance to review all the information you've provided. Double-check everything for accuracy. This is your final opportunity to make any corrections. Once you're confident everything is correct, hit that Submit button. You'll receive a confirmation that your application has been received. Barclays will then review it and be in touch with the next steps to finalize your new banking relationship.